Hey guys, Eli2Tell here. I got a Lego set last night from my mom. She basically gave me a Lego set because since quarantine and stuff like that. I'm just looking at the box right now. I'm trying to find the part number. Or not the part number, the set number. Found it. It is a Lego City Creator set number 31095. It's really nice. It's 595 pieces. Really fun. It's got a bit of Technics pieces in there. I mean, it's got a bit of playability in it. But it's really fun to screw with. It's just a fun set in general. I'm just finishing up the final touches. It's a really fun set to screw with. But yeah. Got crap in my throat. So, let's get into the video. So, this is like basically like the set, basically. I built the UFO one. There's other ones like, I don't know, like a drop thing, and then you got whatever this is. I got a lot of mucus in my throat. But let's get into the small things. So pretty much the smallest thing you can interact with is this like a little simple fence that goes around the thing. It's really fun. It's really nice because it's easy to fold up and just pack up and have cleaned up easily. And then we have ourselves a ice cream stand, which my brother's gonna be happy that we finally have something with ice cream. We don't have the ice cream parts. Uses like the track wheels that goes on tracks. Really simple. I mean, it uses these like fancy little roof pieces and side pieces and stuff. It's really nice. Like, real simple. Like, stands up on its own. Really simple. And then next we have the ticket stand, which has tickets in there. Which has a ticket in there. It's just simple ticket stand. Fancy, like, golden plating with a rose bush, I'm guessing, and then literally nothing on the back of it. Probably going to use this ticket stand as something in the, instead of tickets, I'm probably going to put like a money thing or there. I'm probably going to make this a cash register, because I'm going to make like a food area over there. Okay, on to the last little thing. We have the bench where the characters can sit on. There's like one little 6x6 stud. I have an ice cream piece in there, just thrown away. The bench back does move, so I can turn it into a bed if I want to. It's funny, but it's real simple. It's got a trash can, a little bench, simple thing. We will look at the characters now. Yeah. So this is the kid piece, you can tell. It's got an ice cream, freckled face, pretty nice hair piece. I might use that later. And some of my other, like, 2 girl characters. I don't even know how many females I have. Another female, which it's pretty nice. Yeah, I wouldn't have the feet be the same. I would make that be like white or something. if it was like that. And then we got just a normal character. This might be ending up being my new character in Lego. Because I kind of like the style of them. Kind of like this style of how his jacket's set up and stuff. But let's go on to the thing. I'm going to set up every character into the, well, almost every character into the little thing. We'll talk about every single spaceship or thing. Let's go in here. Put child here. So here it is. This does have a feature. Actually, this part comes off for easy installation. It's pretty simple build. It's pretty nice too. I mean, it's a pretty cool thing. Just attaches and detaches. If you're wondering what this lever does, it turns it. Can't really turn that fast, but you could probably install a motor onto it. So let's start with the spaceship. So the spaceship is interesting. It's just, I'm pretty happy with how that came out. This turns around and basically, it's really fun to screw with. On to the next thing. I'm kind of screwing, well, making it fast. So this is the next spaceship. It kind of looks like the one I already have. It's real simple. These are, and then here's like an alien ship. Under it, it kind of looks like the Millennium Falcon, which I wish they made the Millennium Falcon, because that would be so cool. Because I love Star Wars. And then you have a cow. Just a stupid little build for a cow. And then you got its udders and 2 legs on the bottom. And then it's got like a mirror piece. I'm trying to get it so my phone can look into it. Hello. But it's a kind of wacky mirror like thing. But the mirrors do work. I mean, see? It's pretty interesting. Just lights all around. And then it just says UFO on the top. With this opens up and then you have like a little alien in there. And then it says UFO. It also got this little thing. And then my plans for this set is to put it on the boat and like mangle it up and make it look like it came from like an abandoned amusement park. Someday, I like FNAF, like Five Nights at Freddy's. I want to mangle it up and make it look like make the carts look like Bonnie, Freddy, and Chica, and Foxy. And then make the top be a big Freddy head. And like mangle it up and stuff. Ooh, that would look so good. But I would, or put a giant golden Freddy head on top of it. But I think that would look pretty cool on it. And then I'm going to show, I got a new base plate. I need I need 5 more of these. Yeah, that's a lot of base plates. And I think I just need 4 more. Actually, I need 6 more because over there. But I don't know what I'm going to really do with those. I'm tired. I was up until like 11 o'clock building this. Because my mom said I can build this tonight and yeah, be done with it. And then film tomorrow, so let's show you. That is a little thing I built just for trailers. I'm gonna have a bunch of storage like back in that area. Kind of just a simple area where I can put things. Don't really have much to do around here when it's quarantine. Basically just sit up in my bed, relax, watch TV. If I get an idea, watch or build Legos. I did build a little building there just for storage, and then I built that semi, which I might show off later. But that storage building just stores every little thing. I'll probably show that off with the semi in the food court. So, or I'll show that off tomorrow or something. I don't really know. I'll probably do that tomorrow because I'm trying to limit myself to one day. If you hear a beeping noise, that's my brother making cookies because, well, my mother asked if he could make cookies or something, like food, so he's making food for my mom's car. Leave a like if you know, or leave a like or comment if you know what that video is. Please do. Like, if you know what that meme is. But, see you guys later. Bye-bye.